The Career Connector at Goodwill, in partnership with the City of London Social Services, is designed to provide immediate exposure to the workplace and equip individuals with essential technical and soft skills through experiential work. Through your referrals to the Goodwill Career Center Career Connector program, individuals will complete a 9-week graduated program that provides a full onboard and thorough on-the-job training within the many work platforms at Goodwill. Right now, there are many available training opportunities within Goodwill Industries and are available to participants in the Career Connector. Opportunities in e-commerce, cleaning and facility maintenance, material handling, customer service and cash, manufacturing and processing, retail team lead, and there are special opportunities within our corporate division for those with post-secondary education, such as in marketing, human resources, and retail management. Participants will be supported by the Goodwill Career Center, the Career Connector Coordinator, and training professionals who will manage and oversee all aspects of everyone's progress. Check out these links for more stories and to see our people and work platforms in action. Make referrals now. Space is limited and intakes are scheduled from October 18th to October 23rd, and the program starts Monday, October the 25th. Please note Career Connector on your referral submission to the Career Center.